So we're looking at the structure. We're looking at the, we call it the horse because when it's, before it's put together, the shape of that piece actually looks like a horse. So we call it a horse. But this is the sled, if you will, that controls the push gate. The cylinders are up here under the cover, connected to the push gate here. This is the device that keeps it flowing smoothly down the track. It's got some large plastic bearings in both sides, total of 6 plastic bearings, which run in the sides of the wide flange beam. Those bearings are UHMW plastic. They run almost forever. They're almost friction free, and they don't corrode. They keep the track clean. They keep they like the push gate itself wiping the box. They wipe the sides of the beam clean, so there's no manure buildup, and it's open. We tried some earlier systems that were more enclosed, and no matter how much you try to enclose something, when there's manure, the manure is going to get there. So
it'll find a way.
It certainly does. So we created this design, which is much more open, so that the manure can fall out, or when the farmer cleans his machine, can take his pressure washer and clean it out. It's just good for the life of the machine and to keep things running smoothly. Lots of heavy steel and lots of structure. We're using the same poly slides, UHMW, for the cylinder itself as the cylinder travels. As Travis explained earlier, when the cylinder opens, the body of the cylinder actually follows the push gate. So it's traveling down the same slide reel and on the same type of UHMW slide bearings.
So that ensures that all the force of the cylinder is actually applied to the push gate.
That's correct. There are minimal friction losses to that could be with say some other types of slides. There might be more friction. On some of our larger machines, we actually use some metal bearings, but they're not steel. They're a grade of ductile iron that we use on the larger machines where the loads are immense and the poly won't quite do the job. But they are the same. They're minimum friction and they're all clean and open, so they keep on doing the same thing. We've got some stabilizers here that keep the push gate traveling level, so it's not depending on the rubbers on the floor to hold it up. It's actually got these skid shoes that run down the floor, keep everything nice and stable.